Let's get this party started. Hey, sweetie fam, welcome back to my channel. I am favorite picture Denise, produced by Denise Productions, and your favorite plus size stylist is back with another sneaker review. Oh, this one is something special. But before we get into it, go down to the subscribe button, click the bell so you'll be notified. I have a video every Tuesday and Thursday at 4 p.m. Click the bell so you'll be notified. I create fashion, family, and lifestyle content because it's the place to be for all of that. Y'all saw the title, okay. But look though, shout out to Nike for changing up the way they did the boxes. As y'all see, I have not opened this box. No, I have not. So we're gonna open it together. Period. This is April right here. Woo! I'm nervous to see what the box is like, because y'all know I love my boxes. Oh, I got it upside down. Look how cute this box is, y'all. I do not have an all black Jordan box. Not one. And it has a little metallic silver Jordan logo. Listen. And it has penny because it's, well, one cent is copper. And Jordan we trust. Salt Lake City, Nevada, Colorado, Charleston Peak, Indian Springs, I'm sorry, St. George. Look at that, y'all. And look, that's gorgeous. So we got a size 9. And this is the women's Air Jordan 14 Retro Low, metallic silver and fire red. Now listen, before I open this box, 2 things. I'm normally sitting in front of my shoe display. And you're like, girl, all shoes get talked about in front of your shoe display. I know. However, my studio is going through a transformation, going from studio or studio suites to my glam / beauty room. Okay? So it's getting a little makeover, as we should. Okay? So I have so much stuff in this studio now that it's just, I can barely get this video done, but I said I gotta get it done. So there's 6 boxes there. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 boxes there. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bags here, 8 bags here. Yeah, so this is the only empty spot right here that I can sit. Little mini beauty area that I have as I, change up my studio. So you kind of get what you get, don't throw a fit. I'm sorry. I love y'all, sweetie fam. Secondly is I will not be doing an unfold because I cannot do it in front of my sneakers. Like, I don't have any place to do it. And I don't have a place to move this stuff around to just even do it. I'm out of space. That's my truth. I didn't say 3, but I'm going to say 3. Lastly is I talked about these shoes at the beginning of the year. I talked about there was about 6 to 8 pairs of shoes that I for sure wanted. And this was on the list. That I said I want these shoes for my anniversary. Do you know what yesterday was? It was my anniversary. Anniversary. It was my anniversary. My 14-year anniversary with my husband. 14 years together. 14 years of love, 10 years of marriage. That's on Big Bird. So this was one of the gifts that I wanted. And they came so tight. Let's open the box. Ooh-wee. Let's get into it. Okay, this paper cute. Got Nashville, Tennessee. Come on, Nashville. That's my baby was born in Nashville. Ooh, Atlanta, Georgia. Montgomery, Alabama. Clarksville. Period. Okay, I like this. I want to look at all this. Missouri, Mississippi, Tennessee, Georgia, Alabama. They got all this stuff. Okay. And it's go all the way to New Mexico, El Paso, Colorado. They got like all of this on the original paper. And then you have the other paper. Okay. Oh. Babe, when I tell you, they're even better in person. I could just almost shed a tear how fly these shoes. Lord have mercy. Lord. Listen, Michael Jordan, you didn't have to do this. Like, the way I'm going to flex this spring and summer. Period. Ooh, let's take a look. Now, I'm already a little bit in my feelings, though. Because every other shoe get extra shoestrings. And I ain't even looked at the inside of the shoe. But I ain't seen no extra shoestrings yet. I ain't seen no extra shoestrings. Uh-oh. This is what we're working with. Look how... Y'all, these are so pretty. Like, I think they look so much better in person than I ever thought. Like, I didn't think they was going to look this good. Babe, but they eat. I don't even know where to start. Okay, let's just... Look at that. Look how pretty that is. That metallic shines, baby. Okay. All right, these are size 9. These are so pretty. 14 lows. I have a pair of 14 lows already. I have the Alayna May collab with Jordan. Air Jordan 14 Fortunes. Released in August of 2021. My favorite shoe. Okay, so inside it's like a map as well. Can y'all see that? Similar to the paper. This shoe has so many possibilities. It reminds me, you know what this reminds me of? A BMW. It's sleek, it's simple, but when you see, you know what it is before you like even gotta say, oh, is that a BMW? Yes, a BMW. Big butt Benz. Now, the only problem I have is they should have sent some fire red shoestrings. That's what they should have did. To match the little fire red accents all around the shoe. That's the only part that, like, as y'all see, has the map in it. That's the only part I think I'm sad about. If I gotta be sad about something, that's the only part. I think every shoe that I have sent us another pair of shoestrings. I wonder why some shoes get extra shoestrings and some don't. So let's get into the shoe. The entire shoe, y'all, is metallic. Actually, you know what? I said it like a BMW. I'm in a Porsche. That's what this reminds me of. It reminds me of a Porsche. Like, you know what a Porsche, you know, when you see a Porsche without saying, ooh, is that? It reminds you of that. I think the simplicity of this, what really eats, is what really stands out. If y'all say eat, I say eat. But what really stands out is the simplicity of it. That metallic silver, this metallic silver pops. It pops. If you see in every angle, even when the light is shining, so when it's dim, it's gonna pop regardless, y'all. I love the little accents of black as well. And that red, it gives the girl what it's supposed to give. Like, yeah, they got the metallic Jumpman on the bottom. Now, it's not a shiny metallic, it's more of a dewy metallic. And this metallic is of a dewy coating. It's not a real like, well, maybe it is. It is actually a shiny. it's giving a mixture of both. That's what I should say. Giving a mixture. Actually, this is shiny and this is more dewy here, but it's all metallic silver. I'm gonna be honest, I'm in love. Like, the other thing I was thinking about is when you start wearing it in that crease here, that may really give the shoe an eyesore. However, I have a lot of sneakers and I won't be wearing this like every day. But I think Jordan outdid himself. Now, he could have made this red too. This is Jordan logo, or the Jumpman logo, Jordan logo. He could have made that red and possibly just a little bit more of that. I always talk about what I feel like could have been better. However, I still give this a 10 out of 10. Yeah, I give this a 10 out of 10. When he does stuff like this, I be like fiending for it. You understand me? Fiending for it, because it's like this type of shoe is like a one of a kind. Because I feel like I can get every color Jordan 1 red, white, and black. Every color Jordan 1 blue, you know, different shades of blue or whatever number he's putting out. But these, stanky. Ooh. He did something amazing with this shoe and I really like it. In the inside, which I didn't show you this part, he has the 14 there in the red. I think the Papa red on here eats. And it's just enough. Now, he could have made this red and maybe a little more on here. But honestly, that's optional. But one thing he could have gave us some red shoestrings. There will be a styling of these sneakers in the next week. Because these shoes, I gotta come with that heat. You feel me? I actually have some things that I purchased from Shein. Actually not clothes, it's like more accessories and stuff, because I got rid of a lot of my accessories and purses and glasses and things like that. So I'm re-upping. I am refilling what I no longer have. So I have to wait until that stuff comes in. That's supposed to come in the next like 3 to 4 days, and then the video, I'll record the video and the video will come out. Y'all comment down below if y'all was able to cop these. There were some people who did get to cop them because I posted on the community tab on YouTube and people were commenting. So shout out to y'all. And there was somebody who didn't get to cop them, and I was kind of like trying to find some for them, but I for that person to show like, hey, this the link, go, you know, cop them, but I couldn't find any. So if you did cop them, let a real one know. I'm favorite page Denise, and y'all be sweet. Smooches.